Hey Doug, sorry this took a little bit longer than expected. My computer froze up really bad and I had to restart. Okay, so last month, and I may be totally wrong in my thought, and this is why I want you to see the video. Okay, last night, right here, or last time, and I'll link you this code. This is at this point in my code. I had my validate, my save, and my delete all working. Okay. Um, and then things were just kind of going a little bit goofy, and I want to know why. So basically, I had all this was working down to here. Okay. Um, basically, this whole thing is said in the little thing right here to be global. Now, my thing is, I understand why he would want it global. I totally get it. I think it's a smart idea. If I'm wrong, please tell me. Because then if we do this global, then everything can see it. Because we're not having to make sure that we have all this stuff from page to page. Because obviously each page cannot see it. And I've had issues in this, and I don't know what to do about it. I could be completely wrong, though. But right here, everything worked until I got down to the data page. So I'm not 100% sure, and, I was having a lot of issues with it and all that stuff, but I got all of it to work, sort of. Now, what I need to make this, say, a global function, possibly, and why? Or I don't need even to do that? Maybe I'm confused on, do I even need something like this to work to make this and this work? Do I need that? Or do I just need the set item and it can read it itself? It just needs to be able to read, obviously it needs to be able to read in reservation and item, but, and I might have to rewatch the video, but what is ID for? Okay. Maybe it's me not understanding the video link you gave me last time and this time. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't really know. I promise I'm not stupid, but maybe I'm missing something somewhere. Maybe it's just not connecting. But like, and also maybe you can explain why we have to, I understand why we have to parse, because we have to make, because we have to change the JSON into a format that's relevant. But do I just need to make the get all on the data page? Because I'm doing it basically the same way I'm doing it last month. But the only reference of anything I've had is right here. Do I need to make it look more like everybody else's code that has a lot of jQuery? Or what? Because everyone else's code that I look at has a lot of jQuery still in it. I thought we were supposed to, not jQuery, JavaScript. JavaScript. Just like in VFW. But they're making it work with the jQuery. I thought we were trying to completely change it over to jQuery. At least that was my thought. I don't know. So I'm just maybe kind of confused, and I've been reading this. I understand what they're doing, all that stuff, but maybe I'm confused on where things need to go in my Crud. Where gets and all that stuff need to go. And if I could get things right, it'd be really awesome. And my computer would stop moving in funky ways. So right here, this whole page worked. It all worked. And I don't know why, but it did. And it was awesome. But I couldn't get and then I ended up messing it up. as you saw, and that's how I got the 0 on my Crud, because I ended up messing with it so then it would actually read on the data page. So that's why all this wouldn't work. Maybe I'm confused, maybe I'm doing something wrong, I'm not 100% sure. Oh crud, hold on. Where'd my code go? Stupid thing. Come on, start up. There we go. Right now, I have this, and as I said, maybe I'm doing it wrong, like you said I am, and I can watch the video. And at this point, all I have is, my Ajax load in for Project 3, basically, because I got that to work with sitting inside of an if-else statement that actually does work, by the way. I kind of rigged it so it would, no matter what, do this, though. But I can change that. And I even have my Ajax page for the XML. So so far, this right here doesn't work. I hope that explains what I'm trying to figure out. Maybe I'm missing something somewhere. Maybe I'm putting these items, maybe I don't even need them right here. Maybe the page-to-page thing is messing me up. Alright, well, I'll stop the video now so I can upload it to YouTube and you can watch it.